So we'll continue with height and distance. Say question number 10. That is two poles of equal height, two poles of equal height are on the opposite sides of a road. Okay, then the width of the road, width of the road is 80 meter. Any point on the road, the angle of elevation actually at any point on the road, the angle of elevation to the top of the poles are 60 degree and 30 degree respectively. Okay, find height of the pole and the distance of the poles from the point. Okay, this is our question. Now look at here. So two poles of equal height. So what you have to do? Two poles of equal height. This is AB. This is CD. Okay. Equal height. If this is X, this is also X. At any point D, sorry, E, suppose on the ground, which is here 80 meter now. Total is 80 meter. Okay. Angle of elevation. Suppose this is 60 degree. This is 30 degree. You are asked to find height of the pole, distance of the poles from the point. Suppose AE equals to X. AE equals to Y. This one I have taken as Y. Then what will be EC? Now 80 minus Y. Why 80 minus Y? Because total is 80. So if this is Y, then this is 80 minus Y, this is X. So AB equals to CD, that is X. Now two triangles here. So in AEB triangle, tan 30 equals to perpendicular by base, that is X by Y. You have to solve it. I am not solving. You have to solve this. Similarly, in DEC triangle, tan 60 equals to perpendicular. This is X by 80 minus Y. So put the value, simplify it. This part I am left as homework for you. Complete it. Okay. Now let's see the next question. Easy questions you will try to solve. A difficult one I will draw. So question number 11 is also homework for you. Question number 11 is homework for you. Question number 11 is also homework for you. Okay. Then comes up question number 12. So what is question number 12? From the top of a 7-meter high building, from the top of a 7-meter high building, the angle of elevation, the angle of elevation of the top of a cable tire, of the top of a cable tower is 60 degree. Okay, and the angle of depression of its foot, and the angle of depression of its foot is 45 degree. Determine the height of the tower. Determine the height of the tower. Okay, how to say? Look at here, read it carefully. From the top of a 7-meter high building, the angle of elevation means it will go up. So when it will go up, so there will be two parts you will find here. One part you are finding, this is your building, this is your tower, this is your 7-meter. Okay, from the top of, this is A, B, this is C, this is D. From the top of the building to the top of the tower is, what is the angle? I think 60 degree. I hope. Let's check it again. Yeah. Angle of depression to 45, its foot is 45. Means from this top, angle of depression means it will come down. This angle will be 45 degree. The diagram is not up to scale, but you have to understand. So this is 60 degree, this is 45 degree. So alternate angles are equal. This is the 45. If this is 45, this will be 45. This is depression angle, this is angle of elevation. Okay. Now look at here. What you find? If this is your 7-meter, AB is 7-meter, then this is also 7-meter, this is E point, C is 7-meter. Suppose this is X, D, E you have taken as X, this is your X. Okay, now this is suppose Y, then this is also Y. So AC equals to what? B, that is Y. Okay, now what you find here is, which triangle now you take? One is BCA triangle. In BCA triangle, tan 45 perpendicular by base, that is 7 by Y. You have to solve it. Find out tan 45, you have to put Then you have got BED triangle. BED triangle, tan 60 equals to x by y. X by y. So now after finding x plus 7 will be the height of the tower. So try to solve homework. Simplification you have to do. Okay. Next. Let's see the next question. Question number 13. Question number 13. What is 13 here? That is observed from the top of a observed from the top of a 75-meter high lighthouse, 70-meter high lighthouse. From the sea level, the angles of depression, of two ships are 30 degree and 45 degree. Okay, then if one of the ship is exactly behind the other on the same side of the lighthouse, find the distance between two ships. Find the distance between two ships. Okay, so look at here. And observed from the top of a 75-meter high lighthouse. So let's make a lighthouse. Suppose this is a lighthouse, AB. Lighthouse, this is 75 meter at the sea level. This is your sea level. There are two ships, D and E. Suppose two ships are D and E. Angle of depression means you have to draw a line. There will be one angle to this ship, another angle to this one. So now the question is, which one is bigger, which one is smaller? Look at here. This is your bigger angle, 45 degree. This is your smaller angle, 30 degree. Okay, alternate angles are equal. If this is 30, this will be 30. If this is 45 bigger angle, this is also 45. You are asked to find what is the distance between two ships. Suppose this is X. Write down. Lighthouse lighthouse AB, that is 75 meter. Distance between two ships, that is x, DE, which is x. Suppose your AD you have taken as y. Okay, that means this is y. So when you take 45 degree angle, this will be perpendicular by base. In BDA triangle, tan 45 is equal to perpendicular is 75 by y. 75 by y. Okay, but when you go to 30 degree, this is, you have to take this one, not this one, because always you have to consider the perpendicular by base. In which triangle? BAE triangle or BEA triangle, tan 30 perpendicular is which one? 75. 75 divided by how much? Total means y plus x. Okay, try to solve it. Okay, now so complete this part. Let's see our next question. Next question is, a 1.2 meter tall girl, question number 14. A 1.2 meter tall girl spots a balloon moving with the wind, in a horizontal line. At a height of 88.2 meter from the ground. Okay, then what happens? The angle of elevation of the balloon, the angle of elevation of the balloon from the eyes of the girl at any instant is 60 degree. Okay, After some time, the angle of elevation reduces to 30 degree. The angle of elevation reduces to 30 degree. Find the distance traveled by the balloon during this interval. Find the distance traveled by the balloon during interval. During the interval. Okay. This is bit two-state question. Try to see. Means first, this is height of the balloon. This is 88.2 meter. There is a person here which is 1.2 meter tall, CD. Okay. The angle of elevation means you have to draw a horizontal line here. This is 60 degree. Okay. After some time the balloon has gone, suppose it was first place, then it is gone somewhere here. Because it is flying, it has gone like this. So it has gone certain distance, then the angle of elevation becomes 30 degree. Got the point? First the balloon was here. This is the main, I is here, angle of elevation was 60 degree. So this angle is 60 degree. So when the balloon is shifted here, the angle of elevation is reduced to 30 degree. What you have to do is, you drop a perpendicular here. Okay, if this is 1.2, this is also 1.2. Just join here. This is also 1.2. This is your 88.2. So 88.2 minus 1.2. How much? 77. Which one? 77 is this part. Got my point? So with the 60 degree, this part is also 77. Because total is 88.2. 1.2 is minus. So 77. So if I give the name A, B, C, D, E, F, this is G, this is suppose H. Okay, now look how many things you have to do here. See it carefully. First, BC equals to AH equals to EG. That is 1.2 meter. Okay. AB is 88.2 meter. This is 88.2. Therefore, BH equals to which part? FG. 88.2 minus 1.2, that is 77 meter. Okay, now suppose this is X, TH equals to X, and this is the distance shifted here. How much it is shifted? Look at here. HG equals to Y. Okay, now okay, come back to 60 degree angle. Which triangle? Now this triangle. In BDH triangle. tan 60 equals to perpendicular by base. So this one how much I have taken? DH I have taken x. So 77 by x. Solving part you have to do. Okay. Then comes up in which triangle? FDG triangle. FDG triangle. Tan 30 perpendicular 77 divided by total, because this is the base now, x plus y. So you have to simplify and show me. So this part is homework for you. Try to complete and submit to me.